Bullish Axie Infinity Axe cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $37.07 and $70.02 by 2030. Market examiners accept Axe could reach $28.83 by 2025. Negative Axie Infinity market cost expectation for 2023 is $6.59. Axie Infinity Axe presentation. Axie Infinity is a computerized pet local area that consolidates the best of blockchain innovation with conventional gaming. The outcome is a tomfoolery and habit-forming game that permits clients to procure genuine prizes. The idea of virtual pets isn't new. Nonetheless, what makes Axie Infinity one of a kind is its utilization of blockchain innovation. This permits players to possess their in-game resources as collectible tokens called Axies. These Axies can be exchanged, reared, or utilized fighting against different players. What is Axie Infinity Axe? Axie Infinity is a computerized pet game that permits clients to raise, train, and battle their Axies animal-like pets that can be collected from parts. The game elements a broad thing shop where players can utilize the in-game money Axe to buy new parts for their Axies, as well as beauty care products and things to assist with interactivity. There is likewise a landmarks mode where players can set their Axies in opposition to one another, thus based battle. The game was sent off in mid-2018 by Neural Connection Games and has since seen a consistent expansion in ubiquity. In November 2018, the game presented a significant update called Beginning, which added another world guide mission framework, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. From that point forward, the game has kept on including new satisfied and includes a customary premise. In the event that you're searching for a tomfoolery and compelling pet reproduction game with a lot of profundity and replay esteem, make certain to look at Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity Axe Major Examination. The group behind Axie Infinity is extremely capable and has a demonstrated history in the gaming business. The game has been live for more than 2 years and has a huge local area of dynamic clients. Axie Infinity is one of the most famous games on the Ethereum blockchain and is reliably one of the top dApps by everyday dynamic clients DAO. The game areas of strength for has, with a very much planned economy and various ways for clients to procure income. There are in excess of 500 particular body parts accessible for these Axies, including oceanic, creature, bird, bug, plant, and reptile parts. Axies can have any blend of body parts, making them entirely alterable and regularly remarkable and one of a kind. Parts from each sort class have 4 separate unique case scales: normal, intriguing, very interesting, and incredible. Each Axie made just variety, a sum of multiple times to deal with the quantity of Axies, dissimilar to a few other blockchain-based battling and rearing games. Axie Infinity is right now worth $8.24. Axe has moved 348% as of now with an exchanging volume of $68, 508, 415. Axie Infinity is as of now positioned 67 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $131, 520, 149est. Using the general strength list RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling disparity MACD from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Axie Infinity Axe to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Axie Infinity Axe market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Axie Infinity Axe Value Forecast 2023. Axie Infinity, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. Axe. The Axe's cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $12.36. Likewise, with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $11.53 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Axe is supposed to have a base worth of $9.89. Axie Infinity Axe Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Axie Infinity Axe cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Axe will before long outperform $20.59. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the Axie's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Axe will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $16.48 and a typical exchanging cost of $18.12. Axie Infinity Axe Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $28.83 and Axie might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Axie is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $26.36 and a low of $24.71 in 2025. Axie Infinity Axie Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Axie Infinity effectively supports market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the Axie coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Axie will be green in 2026. The Axie is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $37.07, with a base cost of $32.95 and a typical cost of $34.60. Axie Infinity Axie Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Axie cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $42.84 by 2027, with a base cost of $41.19 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Axie has a greatest value worth of $45.31. Axie Infinity Axie Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around $51.07. On the off chance that Axie figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $53.54. Neglecting to assemble the help Axie needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $49.43. Axie Infinity Axie Value Forecast 2029. While Axie is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $57.66 and a yearly cost close above $61.78 in 2029. Axie Infinity Axie Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Axie Infinity will at long last outperform its past AF values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $65.90 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $72, averaging out at $67.55. What is the Axie Infinity Axie cost today? Today, Axie Infinity Axie is exchanging at $8.24 with a complete market capitalization of $1 to $131,520,149. Is Axie Infinity a wise speculation? Axie Infinity ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is insightful to say that Axie is a decent decision of speculation. How high might Axie Infinity at any point go? The typical cost of Axie Infinity Axie might perhaps reach $11.53 this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Axie Infinity might outperform $53.54. What amount will Axie Infinity be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising notoriety of cryptographic money and Axie Infinity, a drawn-out interest in Axie could see the value ascend to $53.54 inside the following 5 years. What amount will Axie Infinity